Hello, I'm Dr. Annick Jansen. It's from the shore of the Mediterranean in Haifa. Behind me you can see the capital of the Baha'i Temple, Golden Sphere, which has been nominated by the UNESCO of a Patrimony for Humanity. So it's from here that I want to introduce to you the Now and Next Experience Workshop. The Now and Next program is a family-centered participatory framework. Families power their learning journey. They get a toolkit including tools that enable them to better collaborate with the professionals. They build their knowledge along a recognizable pathway which has 4 sectors: vision setting, goal framework, achieving their goals and learning from their achievement on their goals, and reflection. And we'll learn about these in the Now and Next Experience Workshop. As a result, the families achieve more of their goals, but also their results on empowerment, hope and well-being are statistically increasing from the beginning, from the pre-test. So we want to introduce to you how Now and Next program can get your families goal ready for your funding session and also ready to form effective partnerships with you. So this is the Now and Next Experience Workshop. Would you like to know more? See you there.